Welcome to EXO Fleet's Insights, where every mile counts. The podcast where fleet data turns into real-world decisions. Each episode, we unpack what's really happening across mixed fleets, fuels and sites, and how better insights leads to better performance, lower costs, and fewer surprises on the road. So let's get into it. Electric Insights Weekly Roundup with Zero Emissions Brenda Shanahan, read by Niamh Quinn. eHGVs just got real. Nissan's charging super hub signals a freight revolution. Why high-capacity eHGV charging hubs are a game changer. There are moments in the evolution of transport where you can feel the shift happening in real time. The recent launch of UK's first private shared high-capacity eHGV charging hub is exactly that moment, a visible, functioning symbol of how far we've come and how fast we're now moving towards fully decarbonised logistics. This new hub doesn't just plug in trucks, it powers a new model of collaboration, resilience and operational sustainability for freight operators across the country. A first of its kind facility with huge impact. Let's look at the facts. This 1.4 million site supports 25 trucks at a time, delivers up to 360 kilowatts per vehicle, and enables 60 eHGV deliveries every single day. That equates to over 2.4 million fully electric kilometres travelled annually and, crucially, over 1,500 tonnes of CO2 emissions avoided each year. That's not a pilot scheme. That's a serious logistics operation, one that's already transforming the energy and emissions profile of a major industrial supply chain. This is what progress looks like when infrastructure catches up with ambition, and it couldn't come at more of a critical time. Why this charging hub matters so much. Heavy goods vehicles make up only a fraction of the vehicles on our roads but account for a disproportionate high share of road transport emissions. Decarbonising this segment is essential, not optional, if we're to meet our national and global climate targets. But it's also one of the hardest sectors to electrify. Weight, range, duty cycles and infrastructure constraints have all historically slowed down progress in the HGV space. What this hub proves is that those barriers are beginning to fall and that the freight sector has the will and now the means to go electric at scale. 3 things that make this project especially significant. It's shared. This isn't infrastructure for a single fleet. It's a multi-operational charging ecosystem, enabling access for a range of logistic partners. That kind of shared model dramatically improves utilisation, return on investment and scalability. 2, it's high-powered. We're talking 360 kilowatt rapid charging, designed specifically for the demands of heavy-duty electric trucks. This is not a retrofitted passenger car solution. It's purpose-built for freight. 3, it's plugged into the bigger picture. This hub is part of a larger vision, one that integrates zero-emission transport with clean energy and battery manufacturing. It's not a bolt-on solution, it's a cornerstone of the long-term transition strategy. From depot to distribution, electrification that works. At Zero Emission, we believe intelligent infrastructure is only as valuable as its ability to integrate into real-world operations. That's why we support fleets not only with strategic insight, but with practical data-driven solutions that make electrification stick. Whether it's route optimization for EV range, scheduling around charge cycles, or building a business case for infrastructure investment, we help operators transition confidently and incrementally without disruption. This charging hub embodies that approach, phased, scalable, collaborative, and deeply rooted in the operational realities of freight. It's a living case study of what works when industry, government, and innovators come together with a shared goal, accelerating the shift of clean freight. So what comes next? The reality to this, the electrification of freight, is no longer a far-off goal. It's happening now. And with initiatives like the UK's 200 million zero-emissions HGV programme supporting infrastructure development, the momentum is building fast. We're going to see more hubs like this, bigger ones, smaller ones, integrated with solar, energy storage and advanced fleet management systems. And those who move early will benefit first, not just environmentally, but operationally and financially. This is about more than carbon reduction. It's about future-proofing your fleet. building energy resilience, and meeting demands of rapidly changing logistic landscape. Ready to take the first step? We know that electrification can be complex, especially for large mixed fuel fleets, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. At Zero Emission, we specialise in helping fleets build custom infrastructure roadmaps, evaluate depot readiness, and plan EV rollouts that align with business needs, not just policy pressures. If you're wondering where to start or how to scale, we're here to help. Let's turn ambition into action. If anything you heard today reflects the challenges you're facing in your fleet, get in touch with us today at ExoFleets. We're always happy to talk through real-world solutions. exofleets.com